In this episode, I'm going to show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content settings. If you are browsing on Twitter app and you want to view sensitive materials, violence or nudity and it's been blocked, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable or turn it off. Stay tuned till the end of this episode for the entire steps. On your Twitter app, locate this icon on the topmost left corner and click it. Scroll down to locate Settings and Privacy. Then here locate Privacy and Safety. Under this locate Content You See and click it. Then here you see a bunch of menus. Locate Search Settings. Then from here you will notice Hide Sensitive Content is turned on. So if I want to see all those sensitive materials, violence or nudity, all I need to do is just to turn it off. Assuming after you reach here and you also want to turn that on, you can quickly switch it on. If you are interested in many content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.